Let's begin by finding a comfortable seated position, sitting nice and tall, shoulders down and back, listening to the stillness and beginning to breathe deeply. Let's take a moment to set an intention for today's class. Before slowly placing both hands over your heart, closing your eyes and breathing into your heart space. On your next in-breath, open your eyes and begin making your way to your back, all the way down, feeling your body ground into the mat. And begin to hug your knees into your chest. We're going to use our hands to press our knees out and away from us, drawing big circles and moving with the breath. Bringing the knees in, then out and away. Reverse it here, push the knees out, then bring them in, drawing big circles out and in. Allow the soles of the feet to come together and open your knees apart as we come into our reclined butterfly pose. Breathing into the belly, softening any tightness or stress in the hips and low back. Breathing deeply, exhaling deeply. Now, grab your left knee and bring it across your body for a gentle twist. Exhale, turn your gaze to the left and outstretch the left arm away from the body. Making sure that the left shoulder is still firm against the ground. Inhale, switch sides. Right knee comes across the body as you gaze to your right. Right arm is flat on the ground. Taking a nice deep breath in as we relax in this pose before slowly letting it out. Gently press yourself up and find table pose. Wrists are directly underneath shoulders. Knees are directly underneath the hips. Let's start to draw circles with our belly button, moving our body clockwise from the left to the right, warming up our hips, spine, and shoulders. Reverse the stretch, drawing circles with our belly button counterclockwise, going as slowly as we need to. Release your table pose and step your left foot forward for a low lunge. Finding your balance, ensuring that the front knee isn't coming past the toes. Exhale, extend the front leg for a hamstring stretch. Inhale, back to low lunge. Moving with the breath. Exhale, extend the leg, bring the arms down. Inhale, low lunge, hands on the hips. Exhale, extend. Inhale, switch sides. This time bringing the right leg forward for a low lunge. Finding balance here. Breathe into this pose. Keeping the legs and core nice and strong. On your next exhale, extend the front leg for a hamstring stretch. Inhale, back to low lunge. Exhale, extend. Inhale, low lunge. Exhale one more time, hamstring stretch. Inhale, back to lunge. You're looking really good. Let's go ahead and find some more movement now. Come onto your bottom with your feet in front of you. We're going to place our hands on our elbows and roll our shoulders forward. Taking our time here. Maybe releasing the hands to draw bigger circles. And switch sides. Hands come to the shoulders one more time. We're going to roll our shoulders out, down and back. Feeling this all around our shoulder girdle and the front of our chest as we breathe. One last time, big shoulder shrug. And let's come sit near the bottom of our mat and extend our legs forward. Inhale, reaching the arms up. Exhale, release. Inhale, hands to the sky. Exhale the belly button to the pelvis, creating space. And slowly drop your hands down in front of you, seated forward fold. Maybe bending at the knees if this is a little too deep. And breathing deeply here. Remembering to be kind to our bodies and not push ourselves too far in any pose. Inhale, slowly come back up and place your hands behind you, fingertips pointing towards you. Roll your shoulders back and lift your gaze to the sky for a soft heart opener. Breathing into your heart space with every inhale and every exhale. Slowly come back to center and start to roll your toes out, feeling a nice stretch in your ankles remembering to switch directions before coming all the way flat onto your back. Rolling out your wrists now in both directions, allowing yourself to find bliss and hope in your corpse pose. Unclenching your jaw and relaxing the shoulders down away from the ears. Resting and focusing on your breath. Slowly start to bring awareness back into your body by gently moving your neck from side to side, coming all the way onto your right side, feeling the breath move from your toes all the way to the crown of your head. Before gently pressing yourself up into a seated pose. Bringing your hands to heart center and your third eye and your crown space before bowing down to yourself. Thanking yourself for taking the time to do something positive for you, and thank you for allowing me to share in your practice. I truly hope you have a lovely rest of your day. Namaste. I just really wanted to take a moment to show the clouds and then the sun shining through them, just because I think that symbolism is so important. When you are feeling down or in a rut, or just feeling like you have a low vibration inside, it is good to know that there's always that light. Even if it sounds cheesy, if it sounds corny, it's true. So It is the cloudiest day ever. I didn't even think that I would be able to film this video because of how cloudy it was. I thought it was gonna rain because there was no sunlight in sight. And now, there she is. Where is it? Where'd it go? Now she's gone again. There it is. There she is. Sometimes it's hard to see, but there is always that light.